Hi guys, another business card model that I've just 3D printed. This one's an F-16. It's tiny. Well, it would be because it's a business card size. Hi guys, another little business card sized kit, 3D printed off Thingiverse. This one's listed as RSAF F-15SG by Nicholas YT or Nicholased. Thingiverse number 4563949. I think that's about as small as you want to go. I don't think my printer can print that small very easily. So let's see what we can do. The links will be in the video description for downloading it yourself and having a go. I like the concept of these business cards. Although probably not much use for actually publicising your business. So what's that little bit? Oh, I think I've worked it out. Looks a little bit delicate. Might end up breaking it. It's gone on there, okay. Got a few little odd bits there from the printing. Well, that's the oh no, there we go. So what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. Don't know if it's worth gluing it together or not. F-15SG. We'll do a bit of a close-up. Yeah, could have cleaned up those little bumps on it a bit, I suppose. Yeah, well, that works. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.